Hi guys, Steve Bannister here with Good Karma Coffee. Just about to do a V60 pour over. Gonna start my timer and start pouring. I've got 21 grams in here. I'm gonna pour up to 63 or close to it. That's my bloom phase. There, oh, a little over, not the end of the world. Give it a little shake, wait for about 30 seconds. Notice the carbon dioxide leaving the fresh roasted coffee. This is an Ethiopian Guji, by the way. 5, 4. Going at 30 seconds, I'm going to start pouring nice and gentle. I shouldn't be going around the corners, but I always like to scrape it off first. I'm going to keep right to the middle. And I want to go up for a total of 350 grams. Should take hopefully between 3 and 330, depending on my pour speed. I'm going to stop at 200. Okay. Going to wait probably around halfway down. Sometimes I look at the time, sometimes I don't. I think it was one about 55, I think. About 20, 25 seconds. I don't know. I've done this a while. You can see how it's getting a little lower there now. Into the bed. Start up again. Clear off the edges, but don't stay on the edges much longer. And there you go. Now I'm going to go until I reach 350. Once again, it doesn't necessarily matter what order you do inside. Some people are concentric circles. Just don't stay too close to the edges. So here I am, creeping up 350. Didn't take long, did it? 350, thereabouts. A little over, I think. As you notice, I don't really kill myself with a few grams here or a few seconds there. It's not the end of the world. I'm going to give this a little spin now soon. This is, the reason I want to give it a spin is I want to get all the grounds off the walls. By the way, anything over here, that's fines. Very small particles, that's not coming off anyway. You just want to get most of it. And you want to end up with a nice flat bed of coffee at the end, which means most of your coffee is interacted with the water. I'm a little faster here now. For sure. I was thinking 3 to 330, but I think it had to do, sometimes, believe it or not, it's the type of coffee. I might have poured a little faster. But nice, we're coming up to the end here now, and you can see, yeah, look at that. About 245, and then we're done. And that's the V60 pour over. Cheers.